Hey everybody, Michelle here with Creative Operation, and I wanted to share with you these really fun document folders that I found online, and I had to make them. These are done by a gal who did a challenge called Roxy's Weekly Challenge 2023, the hashtag Roxy's Weekly Challenge 2023. And this is week number 6, and she did these document folders that are really, really cute, and they were fun to make, super easy, and they used up some really fun product. So I just wanted to share these with you. I'll put links down below so you can go check out the tutorial that she did and see what I did. But they're just really fun document folders, and I used some scraps that I had. These are all Tim Holtz papers that I had. I made these hidden paper clips a little while ago, and I used those. They made a perfect closure for these, and then they fit the theme absolutely perfect, I thought. I did put an eyelet in there, and I used some charms from my stash and just kind of decorated that paper clip here. And then here is a little embellishment that I made. These are all Tim Holtz papers that I did, and I did a specimen slide with the butterfly, and then this is a one of the 6x6 squares that came in his paper pads that I made envelopes out of. And then in here I just added some tags that I made out of the scrap papers. These right here, the hole reinforcements, are hole reinforcements that you get at like Office Depot, and then I just colored them with a gold Sharpie and then used twine. This is a little applique rose piece that I had that I just thought looked pretty. And then this is a ribbon charm with a button that I learned how to make from, my goodness, now I can't remember who it was. I think Treasure Books. Yes, Treasure Books. And so I made a whole bunch of these one night, and I think I shared them. But anyways, I thought that looked really pretty too. So then when you open this up, and I made a couple different kinds. So this is what they mean by document folder or folios or folders. Folders, document folders. So I took a bunch of my tea-dyed papers that I have in my stash, and you literally just line them up. You punch a hole, set eyelets, and you can tie twine through there, and then you have these great journaling spots. And I just lined up the papers according to size, and then I just kind of just put them in there. So yeah, isn't that cute? I mean, I just love how that turned out. And then you literally just fold it up, and boom, you've got kind of this all-in-one journal. You can add this to a journal. You can make them different sizes. You can do all kinds of things. So then I did this particular one, and again, this is another hidden paper clip that I created, and I use that as a closure. And this one, when you open it up, it opens up like so. So, and then this here, to make the pages fit, you just take a couple and fold those up, and then, you know, do them in odd spots. And I love how they turned out. Now, I didn't do any further decorating. I just made the actual journals, but I love how they turned out. I think they're so cool. And I love the fact that I was able to use a lot of these, these hidden paper clips, make great closures for them, and add a lot of decorative detail. And these could tuck into books and all kinds of stuff. Now this one here, I just did like a belly band closure with some ribbon that I had in my stash. I added a hidden paper clip here as a decoration, and just use that. And again, just put your papers in there, and that's what I ended up doing. I just thought this was so fun, and I just really wanted to share this with you. So I will have links below so that you can go and check out how to make these, and then kind of go to town with making your own. But again, these papers are Tim Holtz, and then I made, these are hidden paper clips I've made from various different tutorials. There's a whole bunch of them out there. It's like the thing to do now, and it's really fun to use your scraps up and make these beautiful closures. So anyways, that's what I had for you today. I hope that it gives you some creative ideas. So I will be back soon with some other tutorials and other shares and things. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.